Guys, I've got the Sony Xperia Pro-I. This is Sony's latest flagship phone. So here you have it. Here's the packaging. So this is the new cameras it's got on it. So it's got a new sensor, which is from the RX100 camera, which is this one here. So from like a small compact camera, you got a good sensor which they put into a phone. So that's very good. So you've got three lenses here, three 12 megapixels with the Zeiss lens, very good. 8 megapixel front facing camera. Amazing thing is, still got the 4K OLED display, 6.5 inch, but it's got 120 hertz as well, which is very good. Good battery life, 4500. Quantum, so this is the new one, Snapdragon Quantum, the 888, which is very good, and it's very good waterproof as well, IP68, so that's very good. So let's get into it. So it's just got one seal here. So here it goes. Quite tight. Okay. So we're presented first Xperia, okay? So I have to think about how do I get this out. So we're presented with the phone. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so instructions, yeah. We've got the PC, Type C, so a good thing is 30 watt, fast charging. That's good. We'll use that. Got a Type C as well in here, and I think that's it. The cable looks quite long as well, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's have a look at the phone. So it's got a special sticker, I think. Wow, look how shiny that is. Okay, so that comes off like that. But there you go. Oh, wow, it just looks nice. It looks like top quality. So you got that long cinematic display like the other Sony phones. You got a nice texture here. See here? These nice lines, aluminium. Very nice. Might maybe think put micro SD in there, SIM card. Have a look. Nice thing. Main thing as well, a headphone jack. Nowadays these new phones and that don't have it, and you can plug mics in it as well, which is very good. So here you go. This is where you press the camera, it's like proper camera phone. There you go. Fingerprint there. Now let's have a look at the lens. Look at that. How big that is as well. There's that big sensor in here, right there. And there's the other 12 megapixels. Proper nice. Zeiss as well. But the quality is very nice. And this, you know what's giving it nice effect as well? These new sides. So it just feels that you can feel the quality. You're paying for the quality. Type C. Yeah, it's very nice, man. Then this there you go. You got the big lens here. I know you can't put them on the phone, but the sensor from this, it's crazy. Sensor from this is in this, the handheld device which you will take everywhere with you. So that's amazing. I will need to show you the camera qualities in the next. Right, let's have a look what's in here. Okay, quite tight, but there we go. You can focus, there we go. That's for the SIM card and micro SD. Oh, it's a dual SIM as well, but you can put a micro SD if you wanted to. So that's alright. Easy access, no pins required. But guys, man, sorry for my throat, but yeah, the quality, it feels proper good. Because I'm using the Samsung S21 Ultra. Feels very nice, but feeling this, I mean, proper robust and just feels nice. But look how narrow that is as well. But the amazing thing is that 4K display. Come on, first phone is a 4K OLED, 120 Hz. It's like the new TVs with the 2.1. But there you go, look at that. It's not much, so it's still okay. It's looking good. I'll put the screen protector on and the case, just for now, for protection. But let's get into the phone. So I already started the Pro mode on the camera. Good thing is you got these buttons here, just like a proper actual camera. So look at that. I mean, quick take some pictures. I'm gonna show you guys. So take that like that. So it's processing it now as well. Get another device. I mean, watch. Get certain angles. So this is an auto. Got a lot of learning to do. And then this is a wide. So I'll show you them in a minute. This is the 50mm, so I can get objects from far, that take pictures from far. So I'll show you them. So that's one of them. See the detail in it. I know this is from the video, but in person, as I say, it looks very clear. So that's the good thing. That's a 12 megapixel as well I was using. There's the other one. PSL control. Like the pictures look very neat as well, which is good. So like the Pro mode now, so you got all different settings as well. Here we go, from manual to auto and fast shutter speeds and that, and you can control all of them, just like a proper camera. So you got all of them here. It's like on the video mode as well, which is good. You can zoom here. So if I go back, there you go, you got Cinema Pro as well. So I've got to set this up, but what we can do, have a look at some videos just to show off this OLED panel. So I'm in the settings quickly for the display, but if you go here, image quality settings, so here these are the settings you can put on as well. So I'm on standard mode at the moment, but you can put the creators mode and look what it does. 4K of course, 10-bit color HDR. See what that looks like. Check the background. It looks very, very sharp. Just in person, I'm just looking at it now. Very sharp. Hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. See that? And standard mode. But yeah, I just want to quickly have a look at these settings first time. Refresh rate 120. That's very good on the phone. 4K OLED 120. It's very good. Usually they're on TVs, but now they're on here, which is good. Okay, let's watch some videos. So I always use these videos because these are very good. They're very detailed as well. So this is good. Good thing about this phone is that the speakers are loud. The Dolby Atmos is very good. Like I said, the 4K screen is good. And another awesome thing is the 3D sound. I mean, like, it sounds 3D. And the phone vibrates as well, which is quite awesome. So it feels like you're actually there. So I'm gonna quick press play. Hopefully you guys can see it, how sharp it is. Let's zoom up. Put the brightness of max. There we go. Put the volume up. Very loud. So yeah, the good thing is OLED, the blacks are awesome. So I mean, in person it looks very good, just hopefully on the video you can see that. But yeah, there you have it guys. I mean, so this is the new Sony phone. I'm going to take pictures and I can show you guys what it looks like on the video. But yeah, this is the latest Sony flagship phone, and yeah, it's so far awesome, very fast, which is good as well, especially with that 12 gig and that new processor. But I'm gonna have a good few tests on it and let you guys know at the end.